Hi everyone, thanks a lot for watching this short video. In this video, we are going to look at how CyberArk Dynamic Privilege Access can help you to provide a secure access to document DB or so-called Mongo database with the help of the vaulted account approach. So let's get started. As a first step, I went on the AWS side, we are using Amazon Document DB service. So this is what my cluster DB identifier is. If I go to the configuration, you can see this is what my cluster endpoint is. And for this particular demonstration, so we will be using document DB as my username. So this is the first step. Second step, so what I'm using, I'm leveraging upon AWS EC2 service for my DPA database connector. So this is what my database connector looks like. So then what we have to do, first thing we have to onboard that strong account, the document DB strong account onto the CyberArk privilege cloud. So I created a safe name as a document DB MongoDB. Platform is also document DB MongoDB. So this is what my username is. If you look at my FTDN, so this is what my FTDN is for my document DB. So that's pretty much what you have to do. From a user standpoint, what we are going to do, we are going to go to the connection guidance page. Under the connection guidance page, so we are going to select database, and I'm going to select MongoDB. So because we want to set up a trusted connection from the client to the CyberArk Dynamic Privilege Access Gateway endpoint, I'm going to download my SSL certificate as well. I'm going to click on Generate and Download. My certificate has been downloaded. So this is what my certificate name is, proxy_full_chain 4.pem. So here, my target user is document DB. My FTDN is, let me copy and paste it from here. And so ideally, you should be providing a client certificate path and full certificate chain path. So what we are going to do, we are going to provide these two paths. So using our client itself. So I'm going to copy. For this particular demonstration, we are going to use MongoDB Compass tool. So I'm just opening the MongoDB Compass tool. So this is what my tool is. Here, I'm going to copy and paste this, what we have just copied. So we have to make some minor adjustment. We are going to remove Mongo shell. This is what we have to do. And then we have to go to SSL. Here, the certificate authority is what we have just downloaded. And then for the client certificate and key, so what we are going to do, we are going to go to the MFA caching. As a user, I will be downloading this X509 client authentication cert. So I will download. This authentication certificate is valid for a very, very short period of time. After that, the certificate is going to expire. So I'm going to copy this, the certificate 5.pem, and then we are going to press on connect button. So it takes around 10 to 15 seconds to get connected. So let's wait. So we got connected to the MongoDB database. This is what my databases looks like: admin, config, monitoring, testing. This is some of the things what I created. If I click on the testing, you will be able to see, I didn't put any kind of a data information at all. So what we can try to do, we can try to drop the collection. So the collection got dropped, and we can try to create a new database as well. So here, I'm gonna say auditing, create a database. So the new database has been created as well. So this is how the user experience is gonna look like. Again, in my current demo, I'm using MongoDB Compass. You can leverage upon whatever tools you want. So now what we are going to do as a next step, I'm going to disconnect, and we are going to look at, so what are the different events being captured by CyberArk's audit service behind the scenes. So I'm gonna click on quit. And we are going to use, or we are going to leverage upon CyberArk audit service. So this is the centralized service where all the audit events are going to get appeared. Here, what we are going to do, we are going to leverage upon session monitoring. So here in the session monitoring, you can see, so this is the event just got created. Here, you can see this is what my target is. You can see the session ID. This is the internal parameter. Access method is vaulted. User on target is DocumentDB. Database type is Mongo database. So I'm going to click on commands. Now you can see there are more number of events has come up. So one of the event I was really interested in to find out the auditing database and the auditing collection, what we created. So thanks a lot, everyone, for watching this short video.